13,700 wells stimulated. Nitrogen pumped in 1400. Over 500 coiled tubing jobs executed. Specialized acid treatment carried out in over 200 wells. Bringing all these stimulation services on high seas is the well stimulation vessel, Samudra Nidhi. Working since 1986, Samudra Nidhi is a state-of-the-art vessel that has cruised the Indian waters for 2 eventful decades. Versatile, competent, and providing the much-needed support to low productivity wells, Samudra Nidhi executes everything from small matrix treatments to large hydraulic fracturing jobs. The well stimulation services diagnose the sick wells. Samudra Nidhi, the marine medico, executes the remedial treatment. She cleans the clogs, cajoles the adamant wells, improves productivity and enhances performance, all with quiet efficiency. Keeping the offshore healthy is her prime responsibility. Hydraulic fracturing improves well productivity and recovery of hydrocarbon in low permeability reservoirs. Coiled tubing units are used for well servicing under pressure. Acidization clears and creates flow channels near well bore for improving hydrocarbon production. To sustain production and maintain the well's flow, Samudra Nidhi does all these and much more. Nitrified acid job, self-diverting acid job, solvent treatment, activation, remedial cementation, scale removal and scale drilling, under reaming and bacterial treatment. The vessel has 3 main operating decks: LP room, HP room and main deck. The LP rooms have seawater pumps and centrifugal pumps. There are 2 storage tanks and 2 mud tanks. The centrifugal pumps can pump the treatment fluid from the tank or the fluid from the blender and feed to the high-pressure pump. The high-pressure room has 4 high-pressure pumps for pumping the treatment fluid to the well. Fluid can be pumped at a pressure of 10,000 psi, 40 barrels a minute when all the 4 pumps are operating. The control room is the nerve center of all operations. All the mixing and pumping operations are done here. The electronic network shows the position of different valves and shows the fluid flow path from pump to the main deck. The control room has up-to-date data acquisition system to meet the treatment parameters online. Closed-circuit TV placed in vital areas keep a watch on all the operations. Selection of the well for stimulation is done by WSS team. Each well needs specific treatment. The wellhead team from the process platform is mobilized to the unmanned platform, where the job is to be taken up. The well is handed over for stimulation after closing the flow line. Samudra Nidhi is then ready to perform her operation. She has a DP2 system for dynamic positioning. Heavy wind swell and turbulent sea currents keep her dancing on the waves. At times, only 20 meters away from the structure, the vessel needs all the power to remain stationed during DP mode. The vessel is positioned by the master with 3 referral points. Global positioning system controlled via satellite. The second is to fix the structure near the vessel. The third is the taut wire lowered by the vessel to the bottom of the sea. Before the job, there is a safety meeting. Operations and safety issues are discussed. After the vessel is in position with full control of the master, Clearance for operational crew transfer is given to the back deck. The working crew is shifted to platform deck by transfer basket of platform crane. The crew reaches the platform. The stimulation line and other items are lifted to platform deck by crane. It is then connected to the platform deck by opening the bull plug.